guys, it's Reeve Florine here, and I just got a package from Russell Brunson. This is his Secrets Trilogy. So I'm going to open this up real quick, and we'll look inside to see what is in this big box. And right, so we've got a quick start guide, so I'll look at that real quick. And so you can see this is the quick start guide. Here's what's in there. I think it tells you what order to read the books in. Then you've got some promotional material. These make nice bookmarks too, for funnel scripts and I love ClickFunnels, and a Marketing Secrets app, and one funnel away challenge. And then this talks about the book set, the Trilogy book set, and some of Russell's other sites. And then this big box set here, which I can look at the Trilogy, Secrets Trilogy, and here it shows everything on the back. And so you got .com secrets, expert secrets, traffic secrets, and unlock the secrets. So you've got the whole Trilogy plus a workbook for Russell's new book series. So it'll be really fun to check these out.